Welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the O2 Ice. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the O2 Ice, and this was released back in 2006. We will be having a look at the ringtones and the wallpapers and maybe some other stuff. But until then, let's have a look at the phone itself. On the top here, we have the O2 logo. You have the small speaker, top here. Then you have the front-facing camera, obviously the screen, and the buttons. This little hole here, you have the microphone. If we turn him on his one side, we have the micro SD slot, which is there. The bottom, we have the charging port. And then on the one side, on the other side, we have the volume up and volume down and the earphone jack. On the back, we have the camera and the back camera and the microphone. The main speaker, sorry. So there you are. That's what it's like. I'll turn him on in a minute. Just show you the charger. Here's the charger, the original charger. And there's the end of him. So that would go in there like that. Back over there. Right then, let's turn him on. There we are. It's a nice picture. Right then. So I'll look at the menu. So, start from the top. Profiles. And all your other ones. So look what games we have on here. I ain't gonna click on them, I'm just gonna show you what games are on here. Right. Three games. There's all the other stuff we got on here. We have calculator, calendar, calculator, notepad, voice recorder, and so on. Alright. And obviously there's your messaging and the camera. Let's check out the camera a minute, see what it's like. There we are. Here's the camera. Right then, so let's have a look at the wallpapers, and then we'll do the ringtones after that. Right then, let's have a look at these. Right, here we are. 1 of 6. Let's get up to the camera nice. Let's start on number 1 again. Yeah. And there you are. That's my favourite, that one there. And that one's quite nice. Right then. Let's go on to profiles and check out the ringtones. Customize. Right, here we are. Right, here we go then. Let's try out the ringtones. And here are, there's all the ringtones. And obviously you have the settings then for your ringtones. The volume. You can turn it up and down. You have vibrate on and off. Message sound, you can change that. Key volume, obviously up and down. There you are. And then that's all your menu there for all different stuff. And there you are. That is the O2 Ice, which was released back in 2006. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back pretty soon with another video. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, if you enjoy my content. And as always, thank you very much, and bye!